What is enumerators? Enum in Java is a data type that contains fixed set of constants. It can be thought of a class having fixed set of constants. So the main objective of enumerators is to represent a group named constants, and the Java enum constant or static and final implicity. For suppose, let us consider example. If you want, if you consider week, then we can take it from Monday to Saturday, or else if we consider an example of month, we'll be considering from January to till December. All these, whatever it starts from January to December, all the things will be stored in one object. It is called month. So the definition of enumeration is an enum type is a special data type that enables for a variable to be a set of predefined constants. The value must be equal to one of the values that have been predefined for it. So common examples, it includes even compass directions. Whatever the directions in compass consists of north, south, east and west, and the days of the week. So let us discuss this topic in a very simpler way. So see this figure. As you seen here, enum, it means in enumerators the enum is the keyword, and we are considering the example of month. It is known as user defined data type, and the values which are allocated under the months, or it starts from January to till December. So this we can write in a simpler code using enum keyword is enum month and open brackets from January to December. All these values allocated for month will be stored in a user defined data type, that is month. So, and the main objective of the enumerators is to represent a group named constants. And here whatever the semicolon we are seeing, it might be optional, and it is introduced in 1.5 version. The main objective of enumerators is to define own data type that are enumerated data types. Compared with old languages enum, Java enum is more powerful. And what is the purpose of enumerators? Enumerators make for clearer and more readable code, particularly when meaningful names are used. The benefits of using enumerators include reduces errors caused by transposing or mistyping numbers, makes it easy to change values in further. And the applications are an enumeration in Java is a special data type which consists a set of predefined constants. You will usually use an enum when dealing with values that aren't required to change. The important point is when dealing with the values that aren't required to change. For suppose if you are taking a constant values which we use in our daily applications, like which we are going through week, months, years, or is the directions that cannot be changed. And the advantages of enumerators are it is type safety and easily used in switch cases. Enum can be traversed. Enum have fields, constructors and methods. Enum can be implemented many interfaces but cannot extend any class because it internally extends enum applications. These are the important any of the levels. So I'm considering medium. So now this medium will be stored in my level my varchar. So now we are trying to print my varchar using system.out.println. Obviously it gives output as medium, or else if you want to print low, then you have to consider level my var is equals to level dot low. The low will be stored in my varchar. So when you are trying to print, we use system.out.println my var, println in the sense print line. So it gives output as low. So this is the simple example of println. Hi, today is Monday. So whatever we written in the arguments, it's gonna print that, and whatever the coeds we have used in that argument, hi today is morning, outside we have used the coed that is known as string. Whatever the statements you have written inside that argument, it's gonna give as a output. So it gives output as hi, today is Monday. Whatever things you have written in the string, it's not going to change. The same it gonna give as output. So here the output will be hi, today is Monday, hi, today is Tuesday, hi, today is Wednesday, so on till it goes up to hi, today is Saturday. And we're gonna break that. So uh, here we are seeing class type enumeration. So this is important. I'm considering enum apple. So here I took example as apple. What and I considered few names under apple. There were Jonathan, Golden Dell, Red Dell, Vines app, Cortland, and whatever the values I have given inside the parentheses, those are the values to Jonathan, Golden Dell, same till Cortland, and I'm using private int price and apple int p price is equals to p. So the first is the instant variable price, which is used to hold the price of each variety of apple. The second is the apple constructor, which is pass the price of an apple. The third is the method get price, which returns the value of apple. So and I'm taking a class that is enum demo 3 public static void main string args, and I'm going to print the statement that is wines app cost plus apple dot wines app get price plus cents dot slashing. In the sense, uh, whatever the whatever the thing we have written in coeds, it will return the same. So the output will be wines app cost plus is nothing but concatenation. It is just used to add. So plus apple dot wines app dot get price. So what is the price of Jonathan? That is 10 plus cents dot in. It gives output in such a way that wines apple cost plus uh, 10 cents dot in. And next we are using system.out.println all apple prices. And first statement, why we are here using first statement is because we are trying to access not only single value, we are trying to access all the values, that is one after the other. First Jonathan, next Golden, next Red Dell. So we are using the first statement. And next we are trying to print system.out.println here a. Here we took apple a. So first a represents whatever the attributes that comes under a. First it comes Jonathan. So first a represents Jonathan plus cost. What is the cost of Jonathan? It is 10. So sorry, Jonathan plus cost. What is the get price? What is the price of Jonathan? That is 10. So here it gonna print 10 plus cents. So for is represented because after one by one it gonna print randomly. After Jonathan it prints Golden Dell. So Golden Dell cost 9 cents. Next it print Red Dell cost 12 cents. Next it prints Wines app cost 15 cents. So the first statement we use to print one after the other. Thank you.